Hola chicos, welcome to Henry Lecky High School. My name is Señora Vasquez. I teach Spanish 1 and 2. If you're in Spanish 1 and 2, you should be receiving this video. Please be advised that Monday is our first day on Zoom. This is a new way of learning and this is a new way of teaching. So we are going to be patient and help each other. Hopefully everything runs smoothly on Monday, but just in case, we are prepared. So just in case you can't log in, I will get a notification. But please, this weekend, make sure you open up those laptops, put in your lunch number, your password. If you don't know your password, your parents should go to Parent View, and under additional information is your password. So please make sure that you open them up, because there is a lot to be done before you are ready to get rolling with those laptops. I just want to let you know that I'm here. I know we're all anxious and anxiety's kicking in, but please be stress free. This is going to be as smooth as possible, okay? Take it slow, relax, don't stress, don't get anxious. Please take care of yourself this weekend. Enjoy your last weekend before we start school. So my Spanish 1, Spanish first and second period, bright and early. Please dress appropriately for your class, okay? We're just gonna run over a few things, introductions, main basic things, so make sure everything is running, and we are going to take attendance, so please be there, okay? If you're shy, it's okay. Please just make sure you're in the classroom so that we can take attendance, and you'll see that it's not going to be as bad or as crazy as you think it's going to be, okay? I'm going to try to make it as stress-free as possible for you and for me, okay? So be ready Monday. I'm so excited. I'm really excited. It's a new year, a crazy year, but together we're going to make it work, okay? So I'll see you Monday. Hasta luego. Adios.